Let's see how to delete and reinstall WordPress in Hostinger. Log into your Hostinger H panel. Now click on Websites from the left menu. Now select the website that you want to reinstall. So here is my website. So click on Dashboard from here. Click on Website from the left menu. Select Auto Installer. And here you will see WordPress. So click on this three dots button. Click on Delete. Select all the check boxes and then click on Delete. WordPress is now deleted. To reinstall WordPress, select WordPress from here. Add your website title, email, username and password and then click on Advanced. Once you are done, just click on Next. Click on Install. So WordPress is now reinstalled. Click on WordPress Admin. And this is the WordPress website that we have just created. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.